Okay, so listen to this. So, so I say all that to say, you know, everybody and their mama is a writer now and an editor and publisher and all that kind of stuff. We just do it to help people out. I'm not saying we're the best. I'm just saying our designs are great. We know how to design, layout, and because we've worked with other publishers, we know what should be there and what shouldn't be there. But sometimes there are people who are just doing it just to be doing stuff, just kind of get your money. And so we had one of those horror stories come through recently. And I'm just telling you, it was awful. The lady was crying because I was like, you know, technically, all we're doing is layout and design, but I looked at the first 2 pages and I see errors and we have an issue because I'm not going to do this. And then I explained to her that she probably needs to have somebody else look at it real quick. Angie did. And she said she stopped counting the errors, even though I knew there was errors as well. And then there was also where their name was misspelled, like the whole time. So it could have been sabotage. Or if it wasn't, it was just a bad situation. So then I had to be the relayer of bad news. You know, I had to say, hey, we were only scheduled to do this, but your book needs help. And, you know, the lady was in tears because she trusted somebody and paid somebody else more than $1,000. So I'm telling you folks, unless you know that you know, don't just book somebody or do whatever because they're your buddy. Make sure they have some results. All right. And yeah, so I say all that to say, so Angie was able to clean this stuff up, but Lord Jesus, it's just, the struggle is real out there. I don't know what people are doing. And again, we just do it because we're able to do it in house. And so that's what we want to offer you guys. You know, we do it affordably for y'all who need it. All right. And then Pastor Rosemary is a great book coach if you need to know what needs to happen from A to Z from that perspective. All right, cool. All hearts and minds are clear. We good? Y'all can put your hands down now.